Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore your LinkedIn profile using Microsoft Word formatting tips, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open Microsoft Word on your computer. Create a new document to start fresh. Navigate to your LinkedIn profile in your web browser. Select the sections of your LinkedIn profile you want to restore. Copy the selected sections by right-clicking and choosing Copy. Return to the Microsoft Word document. Paste the copied content into the Word document by right-clicking and selecting Paste. Now, start formatting the text to enhance its. Select the text you want to format. Use the Home tab in Word to change the font style, size, or color. Consider using a professional font like Arial or Calibri for a clean look. Adjust the font size to ensure readability, typically between 11 and 12 points is effective. Next, apply bold or italics to highlight key achievements or job titles. Organize your content with headings to separate different sections. Use bullet points or numbered lists to make your skills and experiences stand out. Highlight your most significant accomplishments by using a larger font or a different color. Check for consistent spacing between sections to create a polished layout. After formatting, review your document for any spelling or grammatical errors. Once satisfied with the appearance, select All Text. Copy the formatted text in Word. Return to your LinkedIn profile. Now, find the appropriate sections to paste your restored content. Carefully replace the old information with your newly formatted text. Check the formatting to ensure it aligns correctly in LinkedIn. Make any necessary adjustments directly within LinkedIn. Finally, review your entire profile to confirm everything looks professional. Save your changes on LinkedIn to complete the restoration process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.